What's up, guys? Welcome to the making of the Flash Cap Fusion helmet. Gonna jump right into it. I had some technical difficulties, so I couldn't film the first half of it, but as you can see, to start off, I had to take the Injustice Flash helmet. I had to physically cut the ears essentially off the side of it, and then cut around once it was printed to get those off, and then I used the product called Steel Stick in order to fuse those onto the side of the cap helmet. As you can see here, the cap helmet was divided and printed in two pieces, glued together, and then we'll just get into the rest of it, so enjoy. Alright, and there we have it. After almost a year of delays with this build, I have finally completed the Captain America Flash Fusion mask. I know the quality of this ending here isn't going to be great. However, I just caught wind that my boy Trevor, who I made this for, is going to be stopping by tomorrow to pick it up, and I have a very full schedule getting back to work with all this COVID stuff. I don't really have the time to do things proper, so hopefully we can see this okay. I absolutely love how it turned out. Was a pain in the butt at times, but that is it. So I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, because this is a one and done. I won't be making another one of these. So Trev, I hope you like it, buddy. There's your new mask.